Make a great choice today with the 2017
Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, four-wheel drive. Come see the car for yourself.